If you include a PDF inside of an email, it's no going back. You can't change it. You can't revise it. It just is what it is. If you were to update this lead magnet at any time, the customers that purchased it prior to you updating will never receive the revised copy. And I didn't like that. That's the part that was driving me insane. And so I was like, there has to be another way. And voila, I did find another way. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. In today's training, I'm going to teach you how to deliver your lead magnets using Google Docs and Kajabi. So you all know that I am a firm believer in questions equal content. I preach about that all the time. So someone had asked a question on how to deliver their lead magnets. And I see this question a lot inside of Facebook communities. And she's asking, how do we provide our opt-ins, which is a lead magnet? Like, how do you deliver your lead magnets? And I was telling her how I used to provide my opt-ins with a PDF file. So once someone signs up for my lead magnet, I will instantly send them an email, and inside of that email, it will be the PDF of the lead magnet. However, I am always updating and revising my content, and it used to drive me insane because it's like, if you include a PDF inside of an email, it's no going back. You can't change it. You can't revise it. It just is what it is. And so I was like, there has to be another way. And voila, I did find another way. And so she had responded back to me. She was like, OMG, tell me more. But then my light bulb went off. I'm like, instead of explaining all of this inside of a Facebook post, she just gave me an idea for my next video tutorial. And so I was just telling her, like, I'm gonna do a walkthrough and I'm gonna send it to you so you can get a visual on how I do it. And now she ends it with, my riches, I now love you. And see, here's the thing. This is a popular question. I see this question so much in many different Facebook groups. And so now I am going to do a step-by-step video, and I'm gonna teach you how I deliver my lead magnets using a Canva live link and Google Docs. And in case you want to know what app I use to deliver my lead magnets and to deliver my emails, I use an app called Kajabi. It is the best all-in-one platform that you need to run your business. And if you're interested in giving Kajabi a try for yourself, I am an affiliate, so I am gifting you with a 30-day free trial. Just click the link in the description and sign up today. So here we have my 18-page lead magnet. All of this is created inside of Canva. One thing I will highly encourage you all to do is to make your lead magnet interactive. Provide links all throughout your lead magnet. So for right here, if they click, they are automatically rerouted to my website. You scroll down more, then I have different Amazon links that they can just easily click on, and it'll be rerouted to the Amazon page so they can further look into this item. I'm also an affiliate to a few different softwares, and I have those links here as well. Once again, if they were to click on it, it'll automatically route them to the Ecamm page where they are able to access their free trial. Also on my lead magnet, I provide how-to trainings, which are YouTube shorts and videos. And a lot of the videos that I provide inside of my lead magnet are unlisted on my YouTube channel. And let me explain to you what unlisted videos are. So you have public videos and you have unlisted videos. Public videos are open to the public. Anyone can view them. Unlisted videos are videos that are on your YouTube channel, but people are only able to access those videos if they have the link. And so that's what these are inside of my lead magnet. These are unlisted videos, and I am providing them the actual link to it. And I'm gonna show you how to do so. You wanna come over here to the left sidebar of Canva, and you wanna click on apps. Now these are my apps right here because I already have them downloaded, but you may not have the YouTube app downloaded, so at the top, you'll just type in YouTube. Once you do that, then it'll automatically be saved. You're gonna click on YouTube, and then you're gonna search your channel name. However, before you do this step, you have to go over to your channel and make this video public, or it won't show up in the search bar. We'll type in my channel, for instance. So here's some of my videos. The next thing you do is just click the video. It'll appear right here. You size it up, and you're good to go. Now you can go back to your YouTube channel and make this video unlisted again. Because they already have the link inside of your PDF, they'll now be able to access the video, and this is how you will put private YouTube links inside of your PDFs. If you continue to scroll down some more, these are just more videos. Same thing, unlisted videos. Scroll down. And now this is a mock-up of my actual membership. And then for this area, if they were to click right here, it'll just automatically take them to my membership. Now, in case you want to know, well, how do you put these special links inside of your PDF? Let me show you that real quick. You see these words? All you have to do is double click to highlight it, and then the link icon will appear. If you click on that link icon, you get to type in whatever website address you want. You can also type in a YouTube link. You can type in a Google link right there. So you are able to link words, phrases, boxes, even images to any URL of your choice. Next, let's talk about how I deliver this using Google Docs and Kajabi. After I create any of my templates or my ebooks, I come over here and I use the same Google Doc each and every time for all of my deliverables. It's just a template that I use. All I have to do is just change the name of the offer. And it makes it just so easy when it's time for you to create your offers and to create your checkout pages. So I just basically say thank you for your business. I have a little mock-up of my membership. I ask them if you're interested in more templates and video tutorials, click here. If you cannot access any of these downloads, here's my email address. Now, you don't have to do this step. I just do this stuff because I'm extra and I just like the format and I like how aesthetic it looks. However, if you just have one deliverable, you can easily just come over here to Kajabi and insert the one deliverable right here. But because I have multiple deliverables, I like to list them all right here neatly and in order. So I link the actual document and then I give a little description of that document. And I'm telling them, click on each hyperlink to download the item. So all they have to do is just click and it'll route them to the content they're looking for. And videos are the same way. All you have to do is go to your